Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your PC keyboard isn't typing correctly, here's what to do. First, go to your device settings. Here, search for keyboard and make sure that the sticky keys is turned off. Also make sure that the filter keys is also turned off along with the toggle keys, as this should fix the delayed or unusual input. Next, restart your keyboard driver. Open Device Manager. Expand the keyboard section, find your keyboard and right-click on it and select Uninstall Device and restart your PC to automatically download the latest driver. You can also test with on-screen keyboard by pressing Windows plus R, or you can just simply search for it in the search bar. Search for on-screen keyboard and open it. Now you can use this keyboard. If the on-screen keyboard works, it's likely a hardware problem and you should find a repair center. Finally, clean your keyboard and turn off your PC, unplug the keyboard or laptop charger, and use compressed air to gently clean any sticky keys. One of the solutions should help fix your keyboard typing issues. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.